Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to do an unboxing of a brand new stand mixer. This mixer is going to be hitting the market in the very near future. Kraftsman reached out to me and asked if I'd like to do a little demo of their brand new mixer on my channel, and I said yes. So this here is the Kraftsman KM50. A really nice stand mixer. I'm going to open it up and I'll show you everything that's in the box. So just before I unbox the new mixer, let's just go through some of the key elements. We have a 5.3 quart or 5 liter capacity on the mixing bowl. And what's really nice about this mixer is that they include a universal mounting hub. If you have KitchenAid accessories, they are going to fit on this mixer. And that is really nice. It also includes a powerful DC motor. The advantage of the DC motor is that it runs more quietly, and it also provides more power and more torque when you're actually mixing stuff in your bowl. I'll just turn it around. So here we've got our model number, the rated voltage, 120 volts, which is standard for North America. And you can see here that this model is rated at 400 watts. And you can see it's a hefty machine coming in at almost 25 pounds. So there is our new mixer. That looks really amazing. I really love the design. All you have to do is push down on this little lever, and then you can just lift the whole head of the mixer. And that allows you for easy addition of your ingredients into the mixing bowl. And if you're wondering what this is a digital display. There's a timer and it also shows you the speed of the mixer. So let's get into the little bag of goodies that they've given us here. So, you can see right away that this is our whisk. Oh, that's nice. You can see that is very high quality. Everything is stainless steel on this. Very nice. And then, what do we have here? So they give us not one, but 2 beaters. And here we have the beater with this little extra piece here, which is really good because this grabs the sides of the bowl and really makes a really good job of getting all of those ingredients incorporated into your mixture. I'll just show you the other one, just to compare it. And look at this. This thing is solid. This is super heavy. This is solid. Yeah, this is solid stainless steel. I am very impressed. Look at that. Very nice. I am super curious to see what these weigh. So I've got my scale turned to 0. So let's just get this on here. 326 grams. Substantial weight to that. And let's do this one here. That one there is 255 grams. Let's do the whisk while we have the scale out. We'll get that on there. 170 grams. So yes, this is, yeah, that is super beefy. Really nice. Okay. And then we have the other piece to the splash guard. So there we have that. And there we have it. So it comes in 2 sections, which is good. And this accessory here is a pouring shield or a splash guard. And in a lot of stand mixers, this is actually an accessory that you have to purchase separately. Okay. So it just slides in. There's 2 little notches. You just get them in there, slide it over, and then you close it. So once this is placed on your bowl, like so, it doesn't let your ingredients come out. So if you're mixing something at a higher speed and stuff is, you know, just floating out of your bowl, this is going to stop that. And also this area here is where you can add ingredients, like liquid ingredients, even dry ingredients, if you have a little bit of a hard time getting ingredients into your bowl without them spilling over onto your table. So yeah, that's a nice included little extra bonus that they've added. And then the last thing we have here, let me just remove this. It's nice that they put that in there so that we don't scratch the inside of our bowl. And of course, all stand mixers need a dough hook. Oh, and that is nice as well. Oh, yes. That is nice. That is solid stainless steel. And since I weighed the other ones, let's get this going again. Get that on there. Get that right in the middle. Let's just see that. 320 grams. So that's pretty hefty. Nice. That is really high quality. Even looking down into the shaft area, yeah, it's super well built. That's really impressive. I like that. And the bowl fits in this recessed area here. It has a locking mechanism which engages the bottom of the bowl. So you just place it and then just give it a good pull, and it is securely locked in place. So up here on the gear mechanism there are two little pins, and you just line those up with your attachment. Just line them up, slide it on, give it a little twist, and it is locked into place. And then at the back you can just push down on that lever and that will bring it down into the working area. So this is the only working dial that operates the mixer. So to turn the mixer on, you press the power button at the bottom. As soon as you do, this will light up. And then I'm just going to turn this. And that is speed number 1. So as soon as you turn the machine on, the timer starts. So that's your little digital timer which tells you how much time has elapsed. And on the extreme left it shows you what speed the mixer's running at. So right now we're at speed number 1. To increase it, I just simply give it a little turn. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then to slow it down, you just turn it, and you can see the numbers dropping. There you go. And then you just another twist, and it just shuts completely off. As a safety feature, as soon as you depress the lever here and lift the head upwards, the machine will no longer turn on. I can go and I can try to turn it. Nothing happens anymore. So that's just a good safety feature that they have implemented in this upgraded model. I'm going to close this down. That's nice. So very well built. I really like this. And located at the front, this is where you're going to attach different accessories. You've got a knurled knob here which locks this front cap into place. Simply loosen it and you can remove this, and then you are ready to put in whatever attachment that you wish to use in this front area. If you look at the knob, you've got a notch here, and it goes with this notch here. You just line them up, that locks it in there, and then just tighten this down and make sure that it's secure, and that's it. I want to show you the universal area here for accessories. So we unscrew this. I'm going to remove the little cap. Remember this little notch that I showed you? If we look here at a KitchenAid attachment, you can see that there's a little notch right here, and that notch fits perfectly right in there. Watch this. So I take this, slide it in, goes right into the notch right there, and then we just tighten this down. There we go. And now I am going to turn this on. Move this over so you can actually see it working. And there we go. And that works perfectly. So that is really, really awesome. Love that feature. So if you have accessories from a different stand mixer like the KitchenAid, you can see that they work perfectly well on the Kraftsman model. On the bottom of the mixer we have 3 rubber feet in this area and also 2 here, so you know that it's not going to scratch your tabletop. So to end off my video, I'm just going to go through all the attachments that come with this nice mixer. So we have the whisk. We'll just get that going. Okay. Our dough hook. Paddle and scraper. And I can see that's doing a really good job at grabbing those edges. Remember, I mentioned that when you lift up the machine, it'll automatically stop. So there's no need to actually go and press the button to turn it off. Just lift the mixer up and then it'll automatically stop for you. And then our regular beater. So there we have it. All the attachments. We've tested them out. Very, very nice. So we've got 2 different types of beaters. We have our whisk and we have our dough hook. So this mixer has everything needed to create any type of recipe that you can think of. So I'm going to end this video here. I wanted this to be mainly a unboxing and an overview of this new mixer. And I'll be doing a lot of new videos using this machine so you'll be able to see it in action. So at the time of filming this is not available to the public. It will be coming very soon to Amazon Canada and Amazon USA. And when it does come available for sale, I'll update my links down underneath the video in the description box. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out there as well at BakeLikeAPro. That's it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.